Hi, and welcome to Right Hustle. Today is the 13th of April 2026, and it's Good Friday. I just wanted to take a quick moment to wish you all a blessed Friday. Whether you're out there grinding, working, or just taking time off to rest, I hope today brings you peace, reflection, and positivity. Stay safe, stay focused, and keep moving forward. Let's get into today's shift. Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, the 13th of April, 2026, and it's Good Friday. Beautiful sunlight, beautiful morning today, and I want to explore today. It's my first Good Friday as an Uber driver. I have been watching other YouTubers. They suggested that today, a Good Friday, is always a very busy day to work. So I have decided to get out this morning to explore it. So stay with me and then let's go. Let's get cracking. Also, the plan for today is I'm going to be working the first part of this morning, like I said, is past 7:21. I hope to work from now till about 12, have a break, and then go back later in the evening. I've had few comments in the past asking for my mileage, how many miles do you drive a day, and all that stuff. So today, my clock is on the zero, and at the end of today's shift, I'll be sharing my mileage with you guys, okay? Stay tuned. Right, let's get it done. First trip of the day, Southeast 17. Let's go there. Let's get it done. I waited about 20 minutes or thereabouts to get my first job of the day, and it's 0.7 miles away from my current location, and I'm going to South East 17. Let's get it done. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning. I beg, driver, can you put your heater on? Hey!
Absolutely no worries at all.
Oh my gosh.
Let's get that done for you.
Let's see,
I'll
cold
be
to
back
blood.
to you, yeah?
That's it.
Let's go. Let's stop.
Just here is fine. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
So tomorrow. Thank you. You too, driver.
That's trip number 1 completed and earned £23.56. Moving on to the next one, trip number 2. Let's get it on.
Hiya.
Hello, hi, please come in. Hello, hi, good morning.
Morning. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, good, thanks.
You let me know when it's good. Do you want me to go across the lights or?
Yes, yeah, well, it's good. We can hold now.
Yeah, it's good?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So much. Have a good day.
And you, cheers.
The safe out. You might have to wait a minute.
Thank you.
That's trip number 2 completed. Moving on to the next one, trip number 3. Let's go there. Hello.
Hi.
Rebecca.
Yeah.
Thank you. Let me know when it's good.
Wherever's well, it's literally just at the corner. Wherever's easiest for you to pull in.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so late.
Sorry about that.
No, not because of you, obviously. Thank you so much. You're a
Thank you.
legend.
And you. Cheers.
Have a good weekend.
And you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Sorry, I got some hair.
No
in your
worries.
hair.
It's all right. Thank you. Bye-bye. Trip number 3 completed. Moving on to the next one, trip number 4. Let's get it done.
Yes, sir.
Hello, how you doing? You okay?
Yeah, good.
Good morning. All right.
Are you good?
I'm good, thank you. How are
The
you?
second time?
Sorry?
I think you picked me before.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah.
most likely. How are you? All right?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Where you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Niger.
Yes, Niger.
From Abuja.
From Abuja. No, I'm not from Abuja actually.
Okay.
Yeah. And to be honest, I haven't even been to Abuja. Never been.
You never been to Africa?
Oh no, I'm born in Nigeria. I said I've never been to Abuja. I haven't been there, but it's something I must do soon. Even my daughter here has been to Nigeria, been to Abuja,
Okay.
but not me. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's a good place. I heard it's a good place.
So how often you been there?
Oh, every year I go to Nigeria, but I go to Lagos.
Lagos.
Yeah, Lagos.
Lagos.
Yeah. I go there for a couple of weeks and then come back. Are you off to work or just?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Good Friday. You work on a Good Friday.
Yeah. Why?
Triple pay, eh?
I know.
Why not?
People like that.
Let me know when it's good.
Yeah, leave me down there. Just have
No. Just let me know.
the car. Just leave it there. That's it.
That's
Anyway,
it. All right. Thank you very
Thank you
much.
so much. Yeah.
No worries. Have a good day.
Lovely day, brother.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
Cheers, bye. That's trip number 4 completed. Heading on to the next one, trip number 5. Let's get it done. Hello,
Hi, you okay?
Gloria.
Thank you.
How are you? All right?
Yeah, good. Thank
Sorry,
you.
I don't want to stop on the bus
No,
stop.
that's
because-
okay. You're fine.
okay.
Thank you.
No worries. Let's go. Let me know when it's
Yeah,
good.
juicy is fine.
That's good.
Thank you.
No worries at all.
Have a nice day.
And you, cheers.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. That's trip number 5 completed. Moving on swiftly to the next one, trip number 6. Let's get it done. Let's go there. Hello. Good morning. How are you?
Yeah, good, thanks.
Thank you.
Just stay on my left, mate.
Yes, good.
Yeah, perfect.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Lovely, cheers, mate.
Bye. That's trip number 6 completed. Moving on to the next one, trip number 7. Let's get it done.
Hello. boss.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm okay, thank you.
NDD, yeah?
Yeah, that's my one.
Thank you. Thanks, mate.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Right?
No worries.
Take care.
Take care.
So-
Bye. That's trip number 8 completed and earned £6.48. That is my AM shift completed. Been online for 5 hours, driven for 3 hours, 58 minutes, and earned £89.83. And I hope to come back later in the evening and continue my day's shift. See you then. Later.